Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. Today's video is going to be different. I'm going to start doing a series every Monday. It's going to be called Mommy Monday, and this is going to kick it off. I'm going to show you guys the bins that I found from Ikea that are so amazing. Oh my God, they have been a lifesaver and a game changer when it comes to decluttering and organizing my kids' toys. I have two little ones, Julia and Gabriel. Julia's 3 years old and Gabriel's 1. And they have so many toys. They have tons of toys. And we just came off of Christmas. So across these really cool bins. I think they're called Sortera. You know, Ikea with their names. And I will have everything listed below, guys. They come in 2 sizes and they come with lids. They are amazing. Oh my God. They advertise them for, I think it's for like the kitchen and things or recycling bins. But as soon as I saw them, I knew that they would be really great for my kids' toys. And the height of them, my son Gabriel, who's 1, he could just go in and lift it up. You're able to stack them. But in a way that you're able to stack them, I'll show you, you'll still be able to go in and lift up and open up each bin, which I thought was really cool, that you don't have to unstack each bin to go inside of it. So that was really helpful as well. If you let me know in the comments, guys, if you ever seen these bins at Ikea. They have so many things. That place is like amazing. Oh my God. And I'm just so happy that they're open. I know what you guys think of the video. Let me know what you guys think of the new series that I'm going to be offering every Monday. So look out for the videos dropping every Monday, Mommy Monday. Just sharing with you guys all of the tips and hacks and tutorials of things that have really helped me. I am a mother of 2, so I'm in it. Definitely appreciate it, guys, if you would give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every Monday when I release the Mommy Monday videos. And let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see from me, and if this is even something you'd like to see on my channel. All right, guys, let's get into it. So guys, thanks for getting to this part of the video. What I'm doing is taking all of the bins out of the kids' closet because their room is a mess. They go in there and they completely destroy it. They take all the toys out, and so I'm just organizing, reorganizing all the toys, putting them into categories. You will see that throughout the video. Yeah. I love these bins. They fit everything. This is a 1,000-piece block set, and if it's that, I'm just going through all of the toys, making sure I put all of the pieces back where they belong. This is one of my favorite toys here. The kids have this alphabet set. My daughter Julia, she's inspecting everything, making sure that I'm not getting rid of her favorite toys because you know me. But I'm just going through all of the stuff, guys, making sure that everything is where it belongs, so when they go back they can find it. I'm kind of anal like that, so because I hate it. When I was younger, I couldn't ever find any of my toys after like a week, and she's asking me, you know, where's her favorite tea set. And so yeah, I have to make sure that I find all the pieces, and we're going to put in these really cool Ziploc bags that I get from Ikea. Ikea is a one-stop shop. I love that place, and those Ziploc bags they offer are so great. I love them. I use them for the kids' toys. So I use the Ziploc bags to keep the toys in categories. Just showing you guys how I pack it in. And this is actually the smaller bin right here. The larger bin is so deep. These are all my son's cars. I keep that one at the bottom so he can reach it. And my daughter's little toys that she likes to play with a lot, her dress-up toys. And I try to keep those in categories as well. And just showing you how they fit all of the Legos and all of her dolls. These bins are amazing. Like, I was so surprised how much stuff can fit in it. I do a purge of their toys, I would say maybe twice a year. It really depends if like maybe they've broken a few, I donate them. And just to let you guys know, this closet is very small, but the bins fit in perfect. I would have the link to both sizes in the description bar. I really hope that you guys found this video helpful. Let me know if you guys decide to use these for the toys or the original use, and stay blessed.